What's up, guys? My video for you is on evaluating logarithms with this idea of the change of base. So here's some notes that you should understand, and feel free again to pause it, mute me, scrub the video to whatever you need to know and or you to find it. There's some terms up here of common log, natural log, how you can rewrite a logarithm expression as a fraction. For example, log base 8 of 5. You know what? Let's just use Desmos. Why not? So you go to Desmos and use the little underscore and you type the base and the underscore. Can you do this with an iPhone? No. Turn it sideways. Turn the iPhone sideways. I mean, it's my iPhone. Use whatever phone you have. But turn it sideways and then you use 8 and then you hit ln. Then that m plus and mr are your friends, because then you go 5 ln, get that number, and divide by mr, memory recall. And boom, there you have it. That's the answer. Watch that one again. You can do this with your phone. It's not like straightforward. You got to kind of like finesse it. And so our math right here shows about. You can also use a TI-84. I mean, you're going to go to college. You're going to be a successful person. You're going to, I don't know why that is defined by college, but the point is you're probably going to have a reason to have, like, an advanced calculator at some point in your life. Next year's math teacher. Impress them. Let them know that you know how to use logarithms on your calculator. You can do ln or common log and divide. This one's got a little bit more struggle, but if you go to Desmos straight away, Desmos is amazing. You're able to plug it all in, use the underscore to do the lower base value. It will work on the iPhone. It will. It's a pain in the butt, but it will. Turn it sideways, and the first thing you got to do is you got to natural log the base, or common log base 10, but you got to natural log it, and then you got to m plus it, so it's now stored in memory. Then figure out what 1 divided by 12 is. Take the natural log of that, then divide by the memory recall, because that log or natural log base 8 is stored as a long decimal in the iPhone. And then last of all, multiply by 3 and you have your answer. That one's rough. You got this. You can use your iPhone. TI-84, so much better. Desmos is still the best, but there's this trick with the change of base. And the idea is if you have log base 8 of 1 over 12, well, why'd I write a 9? I keep saying 8. It's 9. But the point is that you can use two logarithms. Logarithm of the argument, that's the thing in parentheses, divided by logarithm of the decimal. Boom, there it is. That's also an important thing to realize, because there's some other like division and logarithm properties that happen, and you don't want to mess those up. Desmos, amazing. My go-to. Have it as an app on your phone. Shout out, plug, not a sponsor for Desmos. On your iPhone, it is possible. But again, the key thing with this one, phone goes sideways, and then you do the natural log, or common log, but natural log of the base of the logarithm. So like natural log base 3, and you m plus it. So it's stored as a number in your calculator, and you can mr it to memory recall it when you need it. And then you go back and you do natural log of 346, type that in, get that decimal, and then you divide it by memory recall. TI-84 is still much better. It still shows that whole concept of change of base. This is what we mean by change of base. We mean that even though the base was 3, we can use it in and out. Don't mess or mix up natural log and common log. Don't. You will be wrong. They are intentionally and definitely different. Here we have log base 2 of 1,234. Pretty nice number. I wonder why. It's definitely that decimal, and Desmos is the first place to go. There's no worry. As long as you underscore it, you can use Desmos. You can still do the other change of base structure with Desmos, but why? It's right there with an underline. In your phone, saying it again, the first thing you do in your phone is actually like the last calculation, the natural log of 2. That's the base. That's the thing you're going to divide by, and you got to have that decimal stored. Go to TI-84, so much better than your phone. I mean, it's right there. It's built for math. Some good apps to have on your phone, definitely Desmos, maybe even like Wolfram Alpha. Look for some other calculator apps. There's some other things. Thank you for watching this video. Get to the point. This video is brought to you by the Math Meme. When you solve a math problem 3 times and get a different answer each time. I love Tobey Maguire. He's the best Spider-Man. Tom Holland's pretty good. Let's not start a fight here. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for commenting, like, and subscribe. I don't know what that means. Anyway, thanks for doing some math with me, and we'll see you in the next video.